Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my monthly essential rewards box for March. Yes, it's March. So if you guys don't know what essential rewards is, it's basically a box that I curate every single month, and it's like a bunch of wellness products, sometimes essential oils, just like a bunch of stuff that we need for like our household, as far as products, personal care, cleaning, some food, like all kinds of stuff. So I am a member with Young Living, and I know so many of you guys on here that follow me are also members as well. It's seriously the best. I am obsessed with all of their stuff, and it's like taken over my entire house. So Essential Rewards is like their monthly ordering rewards program. It's completely optional, you don't have to do it, but I opted in because I use a lot of their stuff, and it just totally makes sense because you get like tons of points back. That's basically like store credit, and I get a lot of stuff from there, so I want that store credit. So every month I kind of get like a wellness box, and again, it's like what I pick out. It's not like a subscription or anything like that. It's just everything that we want, we need to restock, or something we want to try, and I like edit it every single month. So this month it's kind of like a spring cleaning theme because the promos are ridiculous. There are promos every single month where you can like get free stuff if you spend a certain amount. So I'm actually going to start with those because I mean the promos are always good because it's free stuff, and the Young Living's products are just really good. But this month especially, they are like so good. Okay, so first things first that I got for free is we got 2 bottles of orange oil. I love diffusing orange. It's one of my most used oils for diffusing, so I'm so happy to have like a back stock of these for free, which is amazing. And then fun fact, orange you can actually also use as like a DIY natural teeth whitener. You can literally just put a drop of orange right on like your toothpaste on your toothbrush before brushing, and after a few weeks you'll probably start to see a difference. Okay, next up for free I got a bottle of Thieves, which we use Thieves for so many different things. It's always in my wellness roller. I'm diffusing it constantly, so it's always nice to have some more Thieves, especially if I don't have to pay for it. And then also a bottle of the Thieves dish soap. I am so excited to get this because this is the only dish soap we use. It is a little pricey, but it also like a tiny bit goes a long way, so it's like actually comes out in the wash to not be that much more. And it's obviously completely non-toxic. So if you actually read on the back, it says if swallowed, drink plenty of water to dilute. So it is obviously incredibly natural. If you ingest it, you're not calling poison control. It is just, I love this dish soap. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way. This is the only thing that we use. It just kind of smells like lemons, but it's like super mild, and we love it. Okay, next freebie is another Thieves product, and this is the Thieves hand soap. Another thing I was so pumped to get for free because this is the only hand soap we use. I have them. If you were ever to come to my house, you would see one of these at every one of our sinks, and we actually just refill these bottles because we have I buy the bulk hand soap refill, and we just keep filling up these bottles, so we're not constantly tossing these out and using new ones. So yeah, super excited about that. Next freebie is the Thieves fruit and veggie soak. This stuff is really awesome. You can just fill up a bowl of water in your sink, just add a splash of this, or a capful, a little bit goes a long way, so it lasts a really long time. And you can throw in any kind of fruits or veggies, just kind of swish them around in there for 30 seconds. Again, super mild. It does not make your fruits and vegetables taste like Thieves. I've tried it because I already have this, so now I have a backup, which is nice. And it's actually really effective. There is something going around on the internet right now where someone just rinsed a head of broccoli, half a head of broccoli in water, and then half in the fruit and veggie soak. Like I said, just swishing it around there for 30 seconds. And the difference side by side, they cut it in half, clean them separately, and then put it together for the picture. It's so much greener, and you can see that there is literally so much stuff is off, where the other one is whitish. It's insane. So I need to be better about washing my fruits and vegetables because I do have this and I use it sometimes, but I want to start using it every single time. Okay, and then there are still more freebies. This month was insane. So first things first, Thieves cleaner. This is the best. The fact that we're getting this for free this month, I'm sure everyone is doing a happy dance because everybody who probably buys from Young Living uses Thieves Cleaner to clean their entire house. It is a household cleaner that you can use for everything. And the coolest thing about this is you just need 1 capful of this. It's because it's a concentrate, and you put it in a 16-ounce spray bottle, which is pretty big. fill it with just tap water and you are ready to go. You can clean your whole house. I use this literally for everything. The only thing I ever use in addition to clean our house is either like a little bit of baking soda or something else I'm going to show you to make like a, if I want like something gritty to make a scrub, I just make the scrub with that and this stuff. Literally my whole house. It's amazing. So that's the best. Completely non-toxic. It smells like Christmas. It's boosting your immune system as you breathe it in and come in contact with it. It's just the best. And then also the last freebie is a Kunzia oil. This smells so good. It smells like tropical, I think, to me, but like clean at the same time. It's really good for purifying the air, which is why they included it with this kind of like spring cleaning vibe. And also it's just incredible as far as like antioxidants. There's actually some pictures of these Kunzia trees, or actually they grow in Australia, and there are, there's pictures that you can look at the farm where there were like Kunzia trees growing up against like a barbed wire fence. The barbed wire is in perfect condition, and then like just a little bit down the way where there's no Kunzia trees there, the barbed wire was completely rusted and oxidized, which is pretty insane. And then they also sent these really cute little microfiber cloths along, again, just another freebie. And I love using microfiber cloths to clean because they're obviously reusable and they're really good. They like trap dirt. So that's what I typically use. So it's just kind of nice to have some more for free. Okay, so now let's actually move on to my order, all of the stuff that I picked out for this month. I got mainly products. I think I only got one oil that I purchased. Obviously I got some for free, which is pretty crazy, but I get so much of our products from there that, I mean, it makes sense. So I actually have some more Thieves products. So this first thing is the fruit and veggie spray. So I'm pretty sure this is the same stuff, it's just in the spray form. And I thought that this would be nice for like certain fruits or veggies that I'm not gonna like soak and like clean all at once. Like if I'm just like grabbing an apple or something like that on the go and I just want to quickly clean it, this would be really nice to have. And I'm just gonna have it sitting right by our sink so that it's easy to grab. So that's another Thieves product. And then I got more of the Thieves dishwasher powder. So we do use this in our dishwasher. I also like to use this as like a scrubbing agent. Like I said earlier, I either use baking soda or I use this. So I can make like a DIY scrub, which is some Thieves cleaner, some of this, or baking soda, maybe a couple drops of lemon, and it's like perfect, like super crazy cleaning power. But we do use this for our dishwashing detergent. And we really like it. Some people are iffy about it, but I think it probably depends on like how hard your water is and stuff like that. Some people say that it makes their dishes a little streaky, but that if you add like a splash of vinegar, it takes care of it, and you know, you can still use this. We just use it straight and it seems to work great, and we really like it. Okay, another Thieves product, our toothpaste. This is the Dentarum Ultra. We order one of these every single month. We don't go through it every month, but I just leave it on my order so I never forget, so we don't run out. So this is the really minty flavor, the Dentarum Ultra. Aroma Bright is our other favorite, which is a little bit sweeter. So if you're trying to figure out which one you want to try first, if you really like minty, definitely go for the Dentarum Ultra. Okay, then I got a couple of food products. Young Living actually has like a bunch of food, which I feel like no one ever talks about, but they have a lot of like pantry staples, which is kind of cool. So I've ordered another box. These are the chocolate Wolfberry crisp bars. I really like these. They're just like a little something, like they're not like a big, heavy, high calorie like meal replacement type bar, which I don't really eat those anyway, at least not as meal replacements. But they're really good, just like if you need like a little something to like kind of tie you over. And as far as like the nutritionals go, they have a really good like kind of ratio of carbs to fiber to protein to fat, so pretty balanced, you know, for like blood sugar. And sugar is not too crazy. They have 6 grams, but it also has chocolate on it, so it kind of makes sense. But yeah, they have wolfberries in them. They're non-GMO, they're delicious. And then speaking of wolfberries, I actually ordered a bag of the just dried wolfberries. I don't know why it took me so long to get a bag of these. You guys, they're so good. They taste just like raisins, I think. The texture is slightly different, but they are just like raisins. And I have been putting them on oatmeal in the morning. I've been sprinkling them on top of like yogurt with granola. And they're so good, and they're crazy high in antioxidants. So they're like a major upgrade to raisins, which I do love raisins. But these are my new raisins. I'm probably gonna order these every single month. And you can even make tea with these, which is really cool. So lots of things you can add these to salads, like instead of craisins. I mean, so many different options. I'm like, can you tell I'm like really excited about these? Okay, moving on, I have a couple, I guess personal care products, or just really one. So I ordered another sandalwood. This is a sandalwood moisturizing cream. I absolutely love this. First off, it is an enormous tub, you guys. This is 4 ounces, which in like the skincare world is humongous. So it lasts forever. The last time I purchased this was Black Friday of last year. So like almost a year and 4 months. It lasts me 5 months, something like that, which is absolutely crazy, you guys. I mean, I love it. It's super thick and moisturizing. I use it as a nighttime cream, not as a daytime. I think for me, it's a little too thick for daytime, but it like soaks in really well. And I feel like my skin is just so like moisturized when I wake up in the morning, but not like greasy. It's just so good. I love this. I like recommend it to everyone. It's one of my favorites. And again, you get a lot. It's 4 ounces. So again, it will last forever. Okay. And then I also picked up a new Savvy lipstick. So Savvy Minerals is Young Living's like makeup line. They have everything, you guys. And I use so much of their makeup. I don't use it like completely, but I still use some other non-toxic products that I really like, but I love Savvy and everything that I've tried. So my favorite lipstick from them is the It Girl lipstick, but then I just ordered this one and I'm really excited. This is called Daydream, and let's put it on right now. Why not? Because I feel like I'm really gonna like this. Ooh, it's just like a nice subtle nude. That with a little bit of lip liner. Yeah, it's just like a little something. And I feel like this is gonna be my go-to in like spring and summer because I like a more nude, where It Girl's like a teeny bit more mauve. So I'm really, really excited about this one. Okay, the one oil that I ordered this month is Progessence Plus. So this is actually a backup because I already have one that's pretty full, but somebody was talking about how they always stock up on Progessence Plus because if it ever goes out of stock, which it has before, they would like lose it. And I was like, oh my God, I can't let that happen to me because this stuff is incredible. So it is like a hormone support oil blend, and it actually has progesterone in it, but not like the synthetic progesterone that's in like creams and stuff like that you can get like, you know, prescription. It's actually like the body identical, like the same exact form that your body actually makes on its own, and it's extracted from yams, which is pretty crazy. So it's super natural, and this oil, I mean, it completely changed the game for me as far as like my hormones and especially my cycle. Using this, it completely regulated my cycle, which I know sounds crazy, but it has happened to so many women. Like this little bottle is powerful and life-giving. It changed everything for me, like truly. So ever since Hayden's been born, I started using it again. I didn't use it most of the time while I was pregnant, but I'm using that again, especially postpartum. Your hormones can be a little crazy, but I've been using this, and I definitely think that it helps. I've been doing other things too to help balance my hormones, but this, I mean, I've been feeling pretty good. I haven't felt crazy and like I was losing my mind, so maybe this has been helping. Okay, and then we also ordered some supplements, of course. So we got a box of the Ningxia Nitro. This stays on our ER order, and we order a new one every month, mainly for Matt. He uses these. They're like little like energy shots. They've got wolfberry in there, I think a little bit of caffeine maybe, and some B vitamins, and he uses that like kind of as like his pre-workout before the gym. Sometimes he makes like a drink with this added, and then other times he just takes the tube and like drinks it on the way to the gym in the car. So those are for him. He loves some nitro. And then a box of Zing. Again, we order this every single month, mainly for Matt. He really likes them, so he drinks most of them. So these are basically like Young Living's energy drink, but they're super clean. They don't have like any of the gross ingredients that are in like the ones that you can buy like at the store. And he loves these. This is what he'll use. He'll make a drink with like this and the nitro. He actually has a post on it on his oily Instagram if you don't follow him. It's at Mr. like spelled out M-I-S-T-R-E-R oily, and he has this like go-to recipe on there. I think he uses like some lime vitality and some other stuff. So if you are trying to get your man to use like a more natural pre-workout, get him that stuff. Go check out that post and you can see exactly how he makes it. Okay, and while we're on the subject of Matt, he also ordered a bunch of his supplements. So he got Amino Wise. We order this every single month. This is basically like BCAAs, and he takes them every day after he gets home from the gym. And it's got like wolfberry in there. It's got like a lot of stuff, vitamin E, lemon, lime. It's got like a bunch of cool stuff in here, different vitamins and minerals. So this is what he uses as like a post-workout BCAA type thing. And then he ordered a bunch of supplements. I didn't order any of my supplements this month because I was fully stocked for the next month. So I took them off this month and then I'll put them back on, just so we could order some other stuff that we needed. So he got Cardiogize. This is like the heart support supplement, which is pretty powerful stuff in here. And they smell like garlic. They're a little intense, but he takes those. And he also got Powergize. This is something that he likes to take for for enhanced physical performance. It's good for energy, stamina, and strength. So he likes to take this. He takes like a bunch to like support working out. And he's been like extra on his supplement game recently because he is running a lot again because he's training. And then he also takes Agilese. This is really good for, poor baby, Matt has her, don't worry. This is really good for supporting joints. So again, he takes this anyway, but especially while running. He's super tall, so for him to be running long distances, it's a lot on his body. So it makes me happy that he's kind of doing stuff proactively to take care of his joints. So that is why he takes Agilese. Okay guys, so that is everything I got in my Essential Rewards order this month. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Hopefully it gives you a little bit of inspiration on what to put on your ER order. And if you are not yet a Young Living member and you want to get started, you can join our community. We've got Facebook groups with like resources and information and education for days. I would seriously be lost without them. I always have a link in the description box if you want to sign up. You can grab your starter kit, you can come join us. It's like truly the best decision I've ever made, and it makes me so happy when you guys come join and you become obsessed and you just start, you know, supporting your wellness in a more intentional way, which is like what this is like really truly all been about for me. And it's been incredible. So if you want to get started, that link is down below. I would love to have you join us. But that is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram so we can hang out on there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.